These seats, though, I can't say enough about the material of these seats. Stir this bad boy up. Aito? Aito? 哎，你好，我可以看一看你们的车吗？
可以啊。
好，
我们这边的车业务同事会来接待您。哎，
OK，好。
辉哥，这个他会中文，会中文。
你可以给我介绍吗？好好，我可以拍视频吗？所以我们可以下车吗？上车？
可以啊。
好好。This is a Huawei Aito. Look at that. So the interior, it's very beautiful. It smells so clean and new, just like leather. Oh yeah. This is a comfy car. I don't think I should get too used to this though. So here you have a big screen, like most Chinese vehicles do. So you can access, well, there's Huawei ads, if you're interested in that. But I mean, there's also Bilibili, which is like YouTube. You can watch movies on here. It's also your map. You have your gauge up there. Steering wheel. Now, in my other videos, the steering wheels were almost rectangle or oval. This one's more of a regular circle. Kind of like that. Here, even has places to charge your phone. So I wonder if that'll work right now. It does, look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wireless charging. And then you look in the back seat. So much space in here. Here's a spot to hide all your goodies. Now this guy here, he was going to give me an introduction to this car, but I think he's a little scared of me. Oh, there's even a... Okay, there's a mag link. So see this? So you can put a screen with a magnet on it in this area, or it comes with like an iPad type of thing in the back. So if you're sitting in the back, you can watch a movie in this SUV. The roof is also glass, so you can see right through it. These seats, though, I can't say enough about the material of these seats. So nice. 你可以开这个吗？ So there's so much space in the back. I assume under here is like a spare tire. Yeah. There's your charging. Oh, very cool. 662 kilometers you can go on one charge in this vehicle. Tires on all these vehicles now these days are so big. I don't know what the need of that is. It's just a beautiful car. Now I think if Apple could, or Samsung or any of those phone companies, what they should do is get into vehicles. Because if they could do what Huawei has done here, or what Xiaomi is currently doing in the Chinese market, it's quite impressive. So this is their M5 model. Beautiful car. Now we're gonna head up to the second floor where they have another vehicle. But look, I'm just simply in a Huawei store here in the middle of Chongqing, and they have their vehicles for sale inside. So up here is a different model. It's a much bigger model. So this is their M7. So I think this is a Aito? I'm not sure how to pronounce that. The lights are nice on this one though. They wrap right around. There's a little step up. It's like that's automatic. You open the door and it probably drops down. This here. Just a beautiful vehicle. How did he open that other one? Sen Makaima. Oh. Yeah, this one is much more space. I mean, it's a much bigger vehicle. So I assume the same thing. Under here you would have your charging and your battery. And you can have all this is stored. First we'll have a look at the back seat of this one. Oh, so it's similar layout, but again, just beautiful. Oh, I love this. Love the faux wood. Look at that beauty. But again, it's the same material. It's just so soft. And then here you have the screen on in the back. So this, they already have it set up for children. So there's a bunch of children games back here. See if I can get one going. Oh, we got to bake something. Oh, we need a bunch of flour. Okay, that's enough. Definitely didn't have these growing up. Oh, you gotta pour some milk in. I hope it knows when to stop. Stir this bad boy up. Probably the best stir this game's ever seen. And we gotta squirt this into there. Oh, time goes pretty quick. Look at that. Okay, coming up to the finish line. And ding, 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 ding. You gotta open it, slide them out. I forgot my mitts. Yeah, and everyone lived happily ever after. So back here you even have, you have the controls for AC and such. This looks like it can be a table. It's a little cup holder. Got your food on the go or a laptop or something. You can do work off of that bad boy. Oh, what else do we got? Jump in the front seat this time. So here you go. Your entrance, your door. The seats again. Beautiful seats. Oh yeah. I wish I could take her for a spin. And then you have your screen here. Change the backgrounds, I guess. All your different options. So there, we just had a quick little look at a couple of Huawei vehicles here at the Huawei store in Chongqing. So what do you think about these two vehicles that we just saw here today? It's a smaller size SUV, more compact SUV, and then a larger SUV here at Huawei in Chongqing, China. Now, do you think these vehicles should be in North America? In my own opinion, I would love to see them, but I don't know if that'll ever happen, especially in the next few years. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.